Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Today's topic is two-step verification of WhatsApp. Two-step verification is used to secure your WhatsApp. If you enable two-step verification, no one can access your account or hack your account. Let's move to the video to know how it's work. Open your WhatsApp. Tap on three dots show on top right corner. Now tap on setting. Go to account. Then finally tap on two-step verification option. Then enable your two-step verification by tapping on enable option. Now enter your PIN. Again enter your PIN. Now enter your email. Again email. Save and done. Boom. So guys, it is easy as ABC. Apply this for making your account secure. For my upcoming video, subscribe my channel. Thanks.